Alright, so you've got a dirty mouse pad, maybe an expensive artisan pad, or just one that's seen too many snack crumbs and sweaty gaming sessions. Whatever the case, don't worry. Today we're going over how to wash your mouse pad properly without ruining it. And no, you don't need fancy cleaners or sprays. Just your hands, a bit of soap, and some patience. Let's jump straight in. First, take your mouse pad to a clean sink or tub. Run some lukewarm water, not hot, over the surface. You just want to get it damp enough so the dirt and oil start loosening up. Next, grab some mild dish soap or hand soap. A few drops are enough. Rub it gently across the surface using your hand. Avoid brushes, sponges, or microfiber cloths. They can be too rough and damage the surface or stitching, especially on high-end pads. Use your palm and fingertips to massage the soap in circular motions. Think of it like washing your hair, firm enough to clean, but not aggressive. Once you've scrubbed it evenly, rinse the soap off under running water. You'll probably see the water turning slightly cloudy or tinted. That's normal. It's just dirt, oils, and a little dye residue. Don't panic, it won't change your pad's color. After rinsing, you'll want to press the water out. Use your hands, not an actual squeegee. Gently drag your palms across the surface to push out excess water. Do this in several directions, up, down, and side to side. It helps remove soap and water trapped inside the foam layer. If the water still feels slippery or you see bubbles, rinse it again. Repeat the pressing process until there's no soap left. You should feel the surface getting clean and slightly squeaky. Now comes the drying process, and this part is very important. Don't ever use a hairdryer fan or put it under direct sunlight. Heat can warp the surface or ruin the texture. Instead, grab a clean towel and lay it flat. Place the mouse pad on top and gently press another towel over it to absorb as much water as possible. Don't twist or wring it, just press down. After that, set the pad on a dry towel or drying rack in a cool, shaded spot. Let it air dry naturally. Depending on the thickness, this can take 12 to 24 hours. While it's drying, resist the urge to bend it or keep touching it. The foam needs to dry evenly. Once it feels completely dry and lies flat, it's good to go. Before putting it back on your desk, run your hand across it. It should feel smooth and even, with no sticky spots or damp areas. If it still feels moist underneath, let it dry longer. If your pad has stitched edges or a printed design, you might notice a little color fading in the rinse water. That's fine. High quality mouse pads use dye sublimated printing so the color doesn't wash off. What you're seeing is just loose pigment or dust that settled on the pad. If your pad still feels dusty after washing, use a lint roller or a soft brush once it's completely dry to lift any leftover debris. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you clean your pad regularly, you don't need deep washing every time. A quick wipe down with a damp cloth every few weeks keeps it in great shape. Do the full wash only when it's visibly dirty or feels greasy under your mouse. For expensive artisan pads like the High-In or Ride-In, the same method works perfectly. Just make sure the water isn't too hot and avoid harsh detergents. The key is gentle pressure and natural drying. Don't worry if you see slight discoloration while washing, especially near the edges or logo area. It's temporary and disappears once the pad dries. If you want to speed up drying a bit, you can prop it vertically against a wall on top of a towel. That helps water drain faster from the bottom edge. Still, avoid sunlight and heat. After it's fully dry, you'll notice your mouse movements feel smoother again, and the grippy base sticks to your desk like new. Regular cleaning not only keeps it looking good, but also helps your sensor track more accurately by removing built-up oils and dust. One last note, if your mouse pad is made from fabric or cloth with a rubber base, this method is perfect. But if it's a hard surface pad like glass, plastic, or aluminum, just wipe it with a damp microfiber cloth instead of washing. And that's it. No complicated chemicals, no risky drying tricks, just water, soap, and your hands. So next time your mouse starts sliding around like it's on ice, or your pad looks grimy, give it this quick wash and bring it back to life. Your mouse pad will thank you, and your aim might just improve too. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, drop a like or comment below with your own mouse pad cleaning tips. Until next time, keep your setup clean and your flicks sharp.